Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the PC. Make sure you have administrator rights and identify which browser you use. Once done, update that browser so JavaScript changes apply correctly. Open Internet Explorer or Chrome now. If you use IE, press Alt to reveal the menu. Navigate to the Tools menu, then Internet Options. This is where you'll change scripting. For Chrome, open Settings and type JavaScript in the search box. These first steps put you directly into configuration mode. Now you'll perform the core changes. In Internet Explorer, go to Internet Options, select the Security tab, click Custom Level, scroll to Scripting and set Active Scripting to enable. Click OK to confirm. In Chrome, open Settings right arrow Privacy and Security right arrow Site Settings right arrow JavaScript and toggle to Allowed. Add exceptions when necessary. For Firefox, use options right arrow Content or enter About. Config and ensure JavaScript enabled is true. Make sure to apply changes and accept prompts so the browser saves these new permissions. Finish by restarting your browser so settings take effect. Then load a known JavaScript test page to confirm functionality. If scripts don't run, clear cache and cookies and try again. This often resolves stale behavior. If problems persist, make sure antivirus or parental controls aren't blocking scripts, and check Windows Group Policy for enforced security settings. One key troubleshooting tip: run the browser as administrator once to see if permissions are the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.